What is cracking, guys? Thank you guys so much for tuning back to the channel. In today's video, like I promised, we are going to take the 65 fastback on a nice cruise. Me and a couple buddies going to drive around. We're going to do it a little different. I'm going to throw a GoPro on my head and we're just going to drive around. So should be fun. Let's get the 65 backed out of here. We got to move some stuff around and talk to you guys in a second. Run the intro and let's do it.
I got crazy thoughts that stay on my mind. I promise I'm fine. I'm doing alright. Then I'm back again. Have you ever been so gone? Have you ever felt so strong? So long when you be long. I'm thinking I'm alone too. I've been thinking for a while with my
race car. That thing's pretty. And right on time, Mr. Jerry himself. Jerry!
Howdy.
What's going on?
Not much.
Nice helmet. But yeah, guys, I want to see if I can get some guys to ride around with us and just kind of have fun riding around. But I'm driving the 65 fastback. Of course, Jerry's taking his 1200, this sexy little Harley here. That is very cute. And we have a couple other bikes in here we're working on because I'm a bike mechanic now. But yeah, any words? You happy, excited?
I'm so excited, I can't even put it into words.
I'm trying to decide if I want to wear my cowboy hat or not. Tough decision. This is Josh's bike, this is Josh's bike. Two different Joshes. I'm doing some work on this bike, fix some headlight stuff, and we're fixing second gear in that. So if you guys want to see some motorcycle content, because I'm trying to get into bikes, let me know in the comments and we'll film some of that. But we're gonna go to the travel center and talk to you guys in a bit. Dude, cute bike.
Thank you.
Do you like men?
Yes.
Dude, you ever rode one of them before?
No. Just bought this thing today.
Hey guys, if you guys get me to 2,000 subscribers, I'll go ride the sports bike with no license, registration, or insurance. So run it up. To the travel center.
To the travel center.
All right. GoPro time. Let's get it. Woo! Woo! All right. All right, guys. Let's welcome back to the program. It actually is a couple days later that we were filming the video, but all the footage from the actual video, I had the GoPro on my head and it was in the ceiling. So it's me and Jerry again. We're back at it. We're like a bad habit. Gonna film some more cruising for you guys because we had so much fun last time. And I went cruising again and filmed some amazing footage you guys will see very soon. Yeah.
Driving my dream car.
This is your dream car?
Yes.
Really?
That's why she took a picture.
I'm super stoked about it. But we're gonna get a ride around. It should be fun. Should be fun. Let's get out of here. Let her warm up my hair. Alright guys, so we've been thinking about filming some drag strip content with the 06. So if that's something you guys want to see, we might be shooting it in the next couple weeks, couple days really, and get that out to you guys. So let me know in the comments if you guys want to see that, but we're going for it. We're going to see what the 06 can do on the strip and go from there. You don't want to smoke, Jerry! Let's go! Champion! Let's go! Got him. Yes. That's what I'm talking about. We're gonna cruise through the college real quick, just for fun, just to see what's popping. There's always stuff going on, so we're gonna cruise through, see what's going on, and try to harass some people. Got us a little stoppy poo here, and then from there, we'll hit some back roads. We'll cruise around a bit. I totally won. Get smoked. Get smoked, Gary. That's your own fault. I won. I beat you. That was your fault. He was in 4th gear. I will give it to him, but he got smoked. That's his fault. You're a bitch. Hey, baby. Sorry. Oh, little gravel. That girl gave me the dirtiest look I've ever seen. Let's see what. Today is like a Tuesday. When we came here last Saturday, I'll put the clips in. You're good. You're good.
Hey, what year is that?
65, man.
My dad used to have a 68. That's just clean.
Hey, thanks, dog. I appreciate it. Hey, you're good. Hey, thanks, dog.
Hell yeah.
Thanks, man. What's up?
That's just tough for real.
Thanks,
bro.
dog. I appreciate you.
Hell yeah, brother.
We're just cruising.
Clean as hell.
Thanks, man. But it was absolutely wild. Everyone was like asking what we were doing. Like, it was so funny. It was so funny. Oh, don't do that. Get out of my way. Go, dude. Bunch of bikers. What y'all doing? Sheesh. Life is so much fun, you know, once you really enjoy it. Life is whatever you make it, and it can be so much fun. Dude just about smacked Jerry. Dude just about smacked him. He about got you. He about hit you. I really need to have a front view and a side view and film it kind of like Top Gear, you know, with like, that's what I'm thinking is going to be the way to do this. But I'm gonna cruise, talk to you guys. I don't want to hear the good side. Guys, is right here when you notice that I start stomping on the floor. That's because my brakes quit working right here. I didn't notice it at first, but right here is when they stopped working.
First thing that I do is I'd come off like I have big flames in your
That's not good. Something ain't right. So the brakes aren't really working. This ain't good. This is bad. Alright guys, hold on a second. Dude, I just lost my brakes. Yeah. I don't have any brakes right now. I was back there. We were going along. I put my pedal to the floor and the pedal just kind of like.
A few moments later.
All right, guys. That's a problem. We don't have any brakes, and we're like 30 minutes from home. So, well, the problem is we just took the master cylinder. It is completely dry for whatever reason. I don't know why, but we're gonna try to make it to the store and get some brake fluid, and then we'll go from there.
I can tell you why there's no brake fluid, because Eric hasn't checked it in months probably.
Yeah, didn't think I would have to. I don't have any brakes. Let's try again. This is not good. It's not a classic car. You don't have to fix everything on it. Oh yeah, I don't have any. I've got nothing. Trying to keep it in the high RPMs so it can stop itself. The engine can slow it down. It's like having a Jake brake on a semi truck. You'll have that on these big jobs. I'm hoping we just fill the master cylinder up and then we should be good. But who knows? You know, who knows? I don't have any brakes. None at all. None at all. None at all. This is foot to the floor. All right, I'm gonna go inside and be right back. So I ended up going into this gas station, and this gas station had everything except for brake fluid. So I ended up going back outside, running across the highway to another gas station, and there they had some cheap dot through brake fluid. We filled it up. It took about 20 minutes for us to pump up the brakes, but they finally got pressure and it worked flawlessly after that. So I don't know if there was a leak, but there was no signs of a leak. Maybe it was almost empty and just a little bit of pressure. Who knows, but they've been working fine since then, but it was weird. Okay guys, that was interesting. Oh yeah, we're good. That was the wildest thing ever. This thing literally just lost brake pressure, had nothing at all, and the reservoir was completely dry. Now they're quite pumped up, but the reservoir was completely dry, and filled up the reservoir, pumped them up, and it was fine, like nothing happened. It probably was just about empty. It's leaked out over time, and it probably hasn't been checked in 10 years or so. So probably over time it's leaked out.